Hi, this is Keshav. I'm a Python trainer in PySpiders. We have a student, he got placed recently. He will share some experience.
My name is GURUCHARAN P. Currently, I am pursuing my BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering in INTERN Institute of Technology, which is near EPA. And I was selected as an incubation student from INTERN Institute of Technology by PySpiders. And I joined at February 6 on February 6 as an Python full stack engineer role. Not role, it is subject. And then the grooming section was took by the Mr. Keshav sir himself, and he taught me very well what are the courses which is available in the few PySpiders, and how we can what is the course which is ongoing in highly demand in the market. And then after that, and he is a Python teacher, and Murali sir is also is a SQL teacher for me, and I'm very grateful for them for teaching me all the for all the experience they brought with them. And thank you.
Congrats and all the best.
Thank you, sir.